Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Clue app with Clue subscription, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the App Store on your device. Search for Clue in the search bar. Locate the Clue app from the search results. Tap on the app icon to view its details. Press the Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, open the Clue app from your home screen. Upon opening, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Input your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email if prompted by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is set up, log into the Clue app. Explore the various features available in the free version. To access premium features, look for the subscription option within the app. Navigate to the Settings or Account section to find subscription details. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Review the pricing and billing cycle for your chosen plan. Enter your payment information as prompted by the app. Confirm your payment and wait for the subscription to be processed. Once confirmed, you will have access to all premium features. Explore the app to customize your settings and preferences. Start using the Clue app to track your cycle and health insights effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.